Existing healthcare programs and facilities of local government units, sad to say, are limited and can only serve so much of their constituents for their physical health needs. Enter a First Lady brainchild and pet project dubbed as Lab for All, which fills in the gaps where LGU initiatives fall short. Our Kenneth Paciente has more on the President and First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos paying a visit to Pasig City for the launch of Lab for All there, much to the delight of the city residents.
Josefina has long been suffering from blurred vision and joint pains due to excess uric acid in her system. But she couldn't afford a checkup due to financial constraints.
Malang check-up, lalo na yung sa X-ray.
That's why she took the opportunity to line up during the Lab for All caravan in Pasig City. Because of this, she was able to get her condition checked for free. For the first time, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. graced the program in the city. Together with him was his wife, First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos, who conceived and created the program. In the President's speech, he emphasized the importance of health. That's why Lab for All is a testament to government's initiatives to provide medical services, especially to Filipinos living in remote areas and the underprivileged.
Kaya po, ang aming naiisip ay imbis na antayin natin ang mga nagkakaroon ng karamdaman na makapunta sa mga ospital, dadalhin po natin sa kanila ang serbisyo para sa kanilang para meron silang healthcare kahit sa malalayo. Meron din yan, yung mga kababayan natin na malapit nga sila sa ospital, isang pagsubok naman ang pambayad sa mga eksamen at sa laboratorio.
Maganda at maraming natutulungan ng mga senior, lalo na sa senior citizen. Okay?
Malaking bagay po ba ito?
Oo, malaking bagay ito. Malaking ahoro yung pagbibigay ng medical na mga gamot. Kasi kung bibili ka ng gamot, mahal.
Besides medical services, Lab for All also includes various government agencies that people can approach for help, from legal concerns, education, livelihood, and more.
Kasama na rin dito ang ilang pong pampublikong serbisyo, gaya ng CHED, na handang umalalay sa mga naghahanap ng scholarship. Nandito rin pong NHA at Pag-ibig na gagabay sa inyong mga pangangailangan tungkol sa pabahay. Ang LTO, nandyan din para sa mga nangangailangan ng driver's license, marami pang ahensya at marami pang iba't ibang ahensya.
The President also led the turnover of Lab for All buses to Pasig City, Tacloban City, and Santa Catalina, Ilocos Sur, which will provide high-quality diagnostic tests to beneficiaries. So far, Lab for All has reached 35 locations in the country and assures to reach even more.
Hindi lang itong isang araw lamang. Sinisiguro namin na marami pang mga komunidad sa bawat syudad at probinsya ang mabibisita ng Lab for All. Kung saan mayroong Pilipinong nangangailangan, pagsusumikapan natin na inyong pamahalaan ay maabutan ng serbisyong ito.
Launched in July 2023, Lab for All is a pet project of First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.